not so okay. Marami akong pinagdaanan this past few weeks. Yung unwanted negative attention, yung trabaho. At ngayon, dumagdag ang asawa ko. Sorry, okay lang naman no, na pag-usapan natin dito yung problema naming mag-asawa, right?
Jill.
Actually, problema naming tatlo. Alam kong paulit-ulit kong tinatanong sa'yo to, pero paulit-ulit ka rin nagsisinungaling. Dalawang taon na akong niloloko ng asawa ko at ng kabit niya.
I think we should call it a night.
Mrs. Lucero, no. Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.
Shut up.
What's going on here?
David, gusto mo bang sabihin sa kanila? Sabihin mo na, David. Sige, ako na lang ang magsasabi. You're 2 years too late. Walang hiya ka. Walang hiyang galit na galit sa'yo. Mr. and Mrs.
What's going
Lucero,
on?
your daughter is sleeping with my husband.
Jill. Enough!
No.
I've heard enough.
Hindi pa to enough. Kasi may isa pa kayong kailangang malaman.
Don't you dare say it. There's doctor-patient confidentiality.
Nabuntis ni David ang anak ninyo at pumunta siya ng Amerika para ipa-abort ang anak.
What?
No. What? This
Lexi?
is this true?